Good morning, Sparrows. Myself, Mantha Sparrow from first year BCom Computers, TSWRTC, Suryapet. My topic is characteristics of business. Business definition. Business may be defined as a human activity directly towards providing, acquiring the wealth of through buying and selling of goods. Characteristics of business have 7: economic activity, production of goods and services, sales of goods and services, dealing on regular basis, uncertainty of return, element of risk, profit error. Economic activity. Economic activity means economic activity is undertaken by any objective of earning money, livelihood, or not because of love, sympathy, affection, are not another sentimental reasons. Economic activity involves the exchanging of sales, purchasing of goods and services, and mutual profit to the satisfaction of human wants. Production of goods and services. Production business exist to satisfy the wants of the consumer. The every business enterprises either manufacture goods, for example, pen, textbooks, furniture, etc., or acquire them from to the producer to be further sold to the consumer or user, and the services including facilities offered to the consumer, for example, transportation, banking, electricity, etc. Sales of the goods and services. Sales of the goods and services. One essential characteristics of the business is that there should be sale or exchanging of the goods and services between buying and selling, indirectly or directly. For example, cooking food at home for family, it is not a business. However, cooking food at home, cooking food at restaurant for the customer or charge, it is called as a business. And dealing on regular basic business involves the dealing of goods and services on regular and receiving basis. One single transaction of sale, purchase, therefore does not constitute business. And profit earning. The main aim of the business is to be earning income by the way of profit. The businessman maximum profit by increasing in the volume of sales is reducing the cost. For example,